Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube parental control. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to show you exactly in both the application and the browser version of YouTube. So firstly, in order to enable the parental control on your YouTube, so in the application version, go to your profile icon at the bottom right, then go to the gear option at the top right, then go to the general tab, then scroll down and over here you will have the restricted mode. Enable this option. So this is the only thing that you can get as close as parental control in the YouTube application. Now let me show you what to do in the browser version of YouTube. So in the browser version it's very easy. Click on your profile over here and right over here you will have the restricted mode option. Click on that and enable this option. That will restrict everything that is inappropriate on your YouTube. Now if you actually want to restrict some things for your kids, I would suggest that you try YouTube Kids. Let me show you what to do in that. So just simply go to your Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube Kids, then install it. Now wait for the installing to complete. Now once it is installed, click on open and it will look something like this over here as you can see. So wait for a few seconds. Now over here, firstly what you do is just simply choose I am parent. Then you can simply read the instructions over here or click on the bottom arrow at the bottom right. Now over here, just simply enter the year that you were born and then click on confirm. And over here, it will show you a video. If you want to know how to use the application, you can see the video. Or you can just simply click on show text to see the text version. It's totally up to you. And after that, click on the bottom arrow over here. And now just simply complete the sign in process. So it will take the default email address. If you want to change it, you can click on the email address option and change it if you want to. And now what you have to do is click on sign in. Now over here, you will have some rules that you have to follow as you can see it over here. So scroll down to the bottom and then all you have to do is just simply enter your password. So enter it. After entering the password, click on the check mark and then the login will be confirmed. Now enter the name of your child. So for example, let's take a test, then the age. So it's going to be 9, then click on OK. Now the birth month, it's going to be July, then OK. And after that, click on the arrow at the bottom right. And over here, you can just simply choose the type of, now over here you can choose the, and now right over here you can choose the age of the content. Now over here you can choose the age of, now over here you can choose the content of a specific age. So it's totally up to you. You can just simply click on the content and you can choose it. So I'm going to choose the age of 9 and then click on select over here. And now the profile is created for a 9-year-old kid. So now all you have to do is click on the arrow at the bottom right corner and then again click on the arrow and now it is all ready. All they have to do is just simply click on their name and then the YouTube application will be available where they will be able to see the content appropriate and set by you. So that's it and thank you for watching and do not subscribe to our channel and take care.